Lady Warriors with a better fight compared in this first set compared to the first time they met, 25-21. A lot of pretty long rallies between them and UST, but UST prevailed with much more variety in offense and much powerful attacks from the likes of Banaticla, Ortiz, and Caballero.
That's right, but it wasn't an easy first set win for UST. Remember, UE was threatening all the way until the very last 3 or 4 points na nakalayo na itong UST. But UE was right there with UST, especially in the first half of this set. In fact, they had a lot of good plays. Sabi ko nga, nasusunod yung mga combination plays nila. Masangkay did a good job in the first set, but the final execution of the hit, of the spike, of the coverage, yun yung nagkulang sa UE. For the side of UST, they started off very hot, and like what you said kanina, Eric, they have really forgotten about that terrible loss against De La Salle. Now they have their game faces back on. Banaticla so focused in today's match. Rhea Di Maculangan setting up pretty well. Micah Ortiz had a lot of those good running spikes to start off this match, and it's just that UST more focused in this first set. But of course, not to take anything away from UE, they still have a good chance. Remember, ang sabi nga nila nung pre-game, they're looking at the Final Four appearance this season, and all is not lost. It's just the first set, but they have to improve better in the execution, especially in blocking coverage. 15 attacks coming from UST, only 8 for UE. Medyo malayo yan, no? Malaking defense yan sa opensa. 1 block at least. 3 service aces for UE. Unforced errors, very close, 9-8. But the offensive attacks of UST makes a huge difference in that first set win.
Doon may kita talaga, no, yung aggressiveness ng UST. Mas gusto nilang umatake. Well, hindi naman mas gusto umatake, pero mas malakas yung loob nilang umatake kesa sa UE. And they had more chances to attack with better reception as compared to UE. Let's see how they, turn things around here. Ingrid Reyes will serve things to start off set number 2. Banaticla was blocked
by the net.
4 touches. Called on the Lady Tigers.
That's 4 touches.
Yes.
UE
on UST.
Mary Crystal Rosales to serve.
Ito, tingnan natin kung si Kite Rosales natansya na yung antena.
Kanina nga nung last point. Sabi ko, napakahirap targetin ng antena na yun.
Banaticla over the block as we go courtside in set number 2 and check in with Bea Coronel.
Thank you, Eric. Well, in that previous set, Coach Audrey's main concern was that the Lady Tigers definitely underestimated the Lady Warriors, and though he commended them on their offense, he said that they relaxed too much on their defense, causing them service reception errors, something that he pointed out early on that he didn't want to see. Now, the last thing he wants is for the deadlocks to build up, causing pressure on the girls. He told them that to keep pulling away, they had to be better at reading their opponents and wiser in their decisions. Now, most importantly, Coach Audrey wants to see more coverage and the girls helping each other out as opposed to just always going to their go-to players. Eric and Ian.
All right, thank you, Bea.
That's right. I was about to say, Eric, that it can't be Maru all the time. Like that. So she's a marked lady right now. Well, she's expected to hit probably 15 or get 15 to 20 points in a match, but the other players can just stand and watch her do it.
That's true.
Kailangan mag-participate siya. In fact, they should contribute more. I'm talking about the likes of Hirotsuji, Reyes, Caballero. They're on the floor right now. Ang nangyayari kasi dyan, you gotta ask the set from Rhea. Hindi pwedeng bahala ka na Rhea kung ano ibigay, pero yung mindset mo dapat hingin mo yung bola kasi you wanna contribute, you wanna participate.
Down the line by Nebrida.
Great shot though. Down the line by Ciesa Nebrida, and Caballero unable to keep it alive. Now going back to your point, Doc, hindi pa rin nakapag-adjust ng konti UST. They still keep on going to Banaticla and medyo naabangan na ng depensa ng UE as you saw that last point by UE. And they're up by 2 here.
Outside block.
Make that, they're up by 1 na lang. Humahabol ang UST with that point. And let's check in courtside now with Erica Liboro.
Coach Boy mentioned to me earlier, sa first set natin malalaman kung ano ang tatakbo ng team for the rest of the game. Now, he explained to me earlier, we need to see how the Tigers' play first, then we'll pick it up from there. Now, he mentioned several times to the girls to stay with the Tigers' spikers, to be able to work on our offense, create coverage for our receiving area. Now, their errors are mainly on the receiving area. He told his receivers, huwag kayo bibitaw and stay alert and be more aggressive. Pula ang kulay natin, so mas matapang dapat tayo, Eric and Ian.
Thank you, Erica.
Nebrida.
They keep on fighting itong Lady Warriors, living up to their name as Nebrida gets lucky there. Another down-the-line shot. This time, walang tao.
That's right. And the offense of UE really humming right now together with their coverage. Kita mo, nakailang blocks sa kanilang UST pero they're picking it up. They're keeping it alive. The ball's still in play and they're able to set up various plays.
And that's a new trait of UE that wasn't there, you know, last year, early this year, pero quickly developed by their new head coach, Boy Dalistan.
That's right, that's right. Galing, galing. Good year for UE.
Service.
Now the biggest lead of UE as Don Dizon serves. They're up by 3, 5 serving 2. Makulangan calls out Banatikla again and again. Checked is Banatikla. Ortiz from the middle.
Ortiz off the block.
This time using her height. Just hitting it above the block.
That's going to be a tough cover for Dawis. Masyadong malaki, ano? Taas. Eh, matangkad na si Lucette Dawis. Talagay
na yun, ha? Nadaan pa sa taas yan.
Oh, nice play by Masangkay and a block on Reyes. Here comes Ortiz.
Ortiz with a runner.
Oh, nice recognition by Rhea.
Micah Ortiz, when she gets going like that, the blockers aren't set, you're gonna pay for it.
Mahirap blockin.
Too big, too strong, too fast. Micah Ortiz. UST within 1 after trailing by 3. Mahabol ang Tigresses. Nebrida. Reyes. That's wide and a point for UE. No touch on the ball.
Yeah, clearly.
Substitution.
No, that was a clean block. No touch from the double block of UE.
Carmela Tunay will check in for Ingrid Reyes para sa UST. There's the heavily braced right shoulder of Lucette Dawis. All the pounding that the shoulder takes, ano? Masangkay, Rosale tipping it over. Ortiz again. The block was there, but too much power.
That's right, and the timing was perfect. Alam ni Makulangan na medyo short yung approach ni Ortiz. That's why she just set it right behind her. Hindi yung mahaba na running.
UST looking to tie it up. Tunay, fresh off the bench. Masangkay to the other side. Nebrida powering up. Rejected. Nebrida tips it over the blockers. UST looking to tie.
That's the set.
Yes, they do.
That's the set.
Down the line. 6 all.
6 all with that play designed para kay Julian Caballero.
Hitting it down the line. Obviously, she likes that one.
Service. Di Makulangan.
Now the Tigers is looking to take the lead. Oh, nice dig from Banatikla. Masangkay, back set. Rosale. Here comes Tunay again. Ooh!
Tunay.
Splitting the block, finding an open space in the defense of UE.
Loose block there from UE. That, Rosale not even going up all the way. So, kukulang yata niya lumabas sa block. So, hindi talaga. Hindi aabot.
Lang yata.
Hindi aabot.
Now, UST with the lead by 1, 7-6. Make that 2 with the Ortiz hit from the middle. 8-6. UST with a series of points, unanswered points here against UE in set number 2.